Shift is a coastal resource management firm and an ocean technology innovator, and we help bridge the gap between ocean technology and First Nation community use. We help bring technology and partnerships to those communities to help build out comprehensive solutions. We access technology such as ROV technology, RPAS, so remotely piloted aircraft systems, as well as suites of sensors for them to monitor and manage their marine domain and share that data between agencies. We live in a world of data and knowledge, and if we can acquire good data and good knowledge about how our ecosystems are operating, our coastal ecosystems, then we can start to manage them properly. Spills do happen. They often happen in remote communities when you least expect it, at the worst time, without resources available to respond to those incidents. We need to empower those communities to be able to react, respond, do their best to mitigate the situation. But there's a huge gap in time and space between when professional response organizations can get to an incident and the time that a community member can see a spill and respond to it. There's an opportunity to remove the human component from a hazardous situation, to create a multi-mission type of vehicle that can be applied to numerous industries, different use cases at reasonable price point. Without those partnerships and the knowledge from not only industry and technology providers, but our First Nation communities, we would not be where we are today. Ocean Supercluster events, virtual events, has provided that platform for us to really reach out to not just SMEs, but also industry primes. We're working with the National Indigenous Fisheries Institute, the Blue Node out of Halifax, Saab Technologies out of Vancouver. We're just excited about getting the chance to work together and create something great. All Canadians are affected by what happens on our coastlines, and having sustainable business practices in our coastal communities just benefits the country at large.
Working with Shift's been so far a very good relationship. We both have a lot in common, be able to get creative and find ways of taking care of our territory appropriately. So we'll use the teachings of our ancestors on one side, and we'll use new innovation and technologies on the other side. We already have that established as First Nations in regards to relationships and family kinship ties. And I think what has to happen now is build that relationship with all communities up and down the coast, may it be in municipalities, small cities, partner with First Nations. And I think all the other nations up and down the coast and right across this whole country, all three oceans, are looking for those tools. And I think some of those tools is relationships, because if we take care of them, they'll take care of Mother Earth, and I think we got to look at it that way.